regards to transport and mobility, urban efficiency and productivity can be understood as systems in support of more seamless movement of people, raw materials, medicines, and other supplies, as well as access to goods and services. Of course, transport does not exist in a vacuum. It is a derived demand, and so there are overarching trends that influence the way people think about, access, and experience transport options. Along with the effects of climate change and air quality concerns previously mentioned, people increasingly want everything on demand, from media and television to transport, mobility, and even their food. More people are also increasingly happy to have access to shared assets and services rather than owning them outright themselves, if it is convenient and the price is right. Finally, the advent of COVID has dramatically affected mobility, bringing new trends and altering others. One such is the renewed focus on active travel and more localized consumption. It's unclear how these trends will settle once restrictions are lifted, but it's recognized that there's an opportunity to change the way we previously accessed goods and services. To ensure we're taking a user-centric approach, we must understand who the local community is. We might start by recognizing that there are different types of places and then considering the populations within them and the varying needs that people might have. A potential approach to this is to undertake a socio-demographic analysis of the area using Experian Mosaic data, for example, which categorizes the UK population into 15 top-level user segments, or as they're known, personas, which then provides us with an understanding of the demographics, the lifestyles, and behaviors of communities across the country. Taking this approach, we can think about how solutions might meet users' pain points and life stage needs, ultimately enabling us to design and develop targeted interventions for specific end users. So, what does this mean in practice? An example might be the implementation of mobility hubs, which are designated places designed specifically to house an aggregation of community and mobility functions. This may include public and shared mobility options, as well as parklets, benches, retail and workspace units, and even dark kitchens for increased delivery options. The hub could also include elements of a consolidation center to support urban logistics and improve local freight efficiencies. This could include the introduction of sustainable last mile options like e-cargo bikes and low emission vans, or the implementation of parcel lockers to mitigate missed deliveries. One key characteristic of mobility hubs is that they are not one size fits all. They are tailor-made to meet local needs. Additionally, they are modular and scalable, and can therefore be implemented as demand requires. These combined interventions, delivered in convenient, accessible locations, can provide new and more sustainable travel choices to nearby residents. They can support local businesses and contribute to safer streets, whilst also incentivizing local consumption.